All right, so here's a quick example of how I use these two, both ChatGPT 5.5 and Opus 4.7, to really challenge each other and come up with the best solution. So I had a really simple bug in production where we're supposed to dedupe organizations when we ingest them into our knowledge graph, and somehow this snuck through. We grow with a lowercase g and we grow with a capital G. And so I put in here, why do you think both of these orgs exist in knowledge graph and prod? These seems like easy pickups for the dedupe. And it went through and did an entire investigation. And like Opus 4.7 says, it says, hey, do you want me to fix it? Well, I also asked ChatGPT 5.5 the same question, and it did its entire investigation and came up with a reason why. The thing that happens after that, though, is instead of just asking ChatGPT to fix it, what I did was I said, hey, I had another agent do the exact same investigation, and I copied and pasted ChatGPT's investigation into Claude Opus 4.7, and it says, hey, actually, yeah, you know what? This was the same diagnosis as mine, but one important detail I missed and one place where we differ, and it said, I actually recommend that their fix is better, and here's why. And so it asked me to just rewrite the plan, and because I have a lot more tokens in Opus 4.5, Opus 4.7, I had opened Opus 4.7, make the fix. And there's a great example of how having these agents challenge each other gives you a better solution. And sometimes Opus 4.7 wins, sometimes GPT 5.5 wins. Before this, it was Opus 4.6 and GPT 5.4. And sometimes it's a hybrid. And this is a great way of being efficient with your tokens, having two different agents with two different ways of thinking, look at your problems and come up with a fix.